Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use an app that comes downloaded on your iPhone that will help you to scan your homework documents as a single PDF so that you can upload it to Canvas. So if you go into your Notes app, and you tap that, at the bottom of the screen, you're just going on the bottom right corner, you'll see a little pencil. And so that'll create a new note. And then what you're going to do is tap the camera icon and select Scan Documents. And then you just stand directly over the document you wish to scan and be very still, and the camera will take a picture. And then you can continue to the next document, be very still, and when you're done, you click Save. Now, a couple of things you want to do. First, let's rename the document. So if you scan to the very top of the document, you can see where it says Use the. I'm going to tap that right now, and I'm going to tap Use the again, and I'm going to rename it as this is the Notes Scan app, and click Save. And then I'm going to go down to the center bottom where you see the three circles, the Venn diagram, and I'm going to edit this document. So what you can do here is if you don't like the way the document looks, you can change it to grayscale. That takes a lot of the noise out of the background, or black and white. Then you can look at the photo and you can decide which way you like it best, I think. And then just make sure you do that on all of the documents. So I think I'll go with grayscale, and then click Done on the top left corner. And when you're all done, on the top right hand corner, you're going to tap Upload, and then you're going to upload it to your Google Drive, or if you wanted to just mail the document to yourself, you could just click Mail and mail it to your school account, and then you can just save it to your desktop, or you can send it to your Google Drive and then just put it in your folder that you want to put it in. I'm going to put it in my math homework folder and save here, and then just click Upload, and there you go. And that's how you do it. And then you can access it for your Canvas submissions.